How to not match whole word king to king. How do I verify an exact word occurs in a string? I need to account for cases when a word such as king has a question mark immediately following, as in the example below. Unigrams, this should be false. N_grams, this should be false. Unigrams, this should be true. N_grams, this should be true. As people mentioned, for the unigram case we can handle it by splitting the string into a list, but that doesn't work for N_grams. After reading some posts, I think I should attempt to handle using a look behind, but I'm not sure.
You don't need a regex for this. If you're looking for keywords, we'll work with king tut, but that depends if you want to match strings like. If you don't, you still don't need a regex, although you should probably use one, given that you want to consider only whole terms, which are properly split, by default, by a dot split. Which is O(n*)m on a worst case string and about half as fast as a regex on normal strings.
Why not check? Check this post for more details.
Use a regular expression like this. See the Python demo. Details. Question mark, \s, a negative look behind to ensure a match is preceded with white space or start of a string. Re.escape, answer, a pre-processing step to make all special chars inside the search word be treated as literal chars. Question mark, \s, a negative look ahead to ensure the match is followed with white space or end of string.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking